Hey everybody, good morning. Today I'm here to talk about a new project that I've been in the works for a while. It's called EBS+Lars, which is Essential Business Services plus Lars. What its core part of its business is phone service for your business, and not just connectivity like you might get from AT&T or you're used to at home, but premium business phone service. I'm going to go over some of the benefits today and then why you should integrate it in your business. So some of the first reasons are that if you're purchasing from Verizon or any of these big carriers, there's high costs, whether it's high costs on the monthly service per line plus local and long distance, or high cost on the phones and their leases that they give you. Maybe they're $12 to $20 a phone. We have phones that you can purchase if you need them, or we can use your old phones. We also have phones that start for leasing at $3, so you can have cordless at $3, desktop phones at $5, system phones at like $7, and then other fancy phones. You can check out our website. You can see an example of our phone here, and then you can see that it's connected to your cell phone. So we can connect your business lines directly to your cell phone, so you don't even have to use your desktop phone anymore. This is convenient if you already have your Bluetooth in. It makes it easy for your business to go to the next level or give that business professionalism that you might not have had because you're using your cell phone. And it can also allow you to separate home and work. You can also use soft phones on your computer. Personally, we also integrate it into our CRM. So we have some great features like Find Me, Follow Me. And so what that'll do is it'll call the CRM phone and then your desktop phone and then your cell phone and find you, no matter where you're at, and you can turn that off with the hours strategy. So here we have an example of what our portal looks like. It's super easy for anybody, and that was one of our core things in the way that we made it and the choices that we made. So some of the first things are that you can change your hold music, you can change your hours of operation pretty easy. You can see the numbers that are in your business. You can easily add users with credentials, so those users, they can actually go in online, see their call log. So instead of having to log into a phone for your voicemail, they can go online, never miss a voicemail, or not waste any time trying to get through those voicemails or miss a call for that much. The next thing is you have groups, so you can easily assign a sales group or a support group, and everybody in that group, their phone will ring if they're available. Then we have basic IVR for your main number. And so over here you can see an example of our little menu of our different options, where we have our call flows, our fax manager, which is fax to email, webhook manager, where you can send APIs if you want to send your call log somewhere or your live calls, voicemail manager, so you can easily get to your voicemails. And here's an example of our call flows, and it's a drag and drop system. So the first time we're going to set it up for you, so it'll be all nice. You can have quality assurance in there telling people that they have recordings. We can drag and drop and make your call menus. But then after that, you can change who's in a group. You can change, how the menu works with a little bit of ease, and since it's a cloud system, we can also log in and help you. All of these tools are really easy to use and to manage for the normal office people or anybody that is trained on the system. One of the other big things that we have is SD-WAN, and what SD-WAN does is it gives priority of service. If you've ever had VoIP installed or afraid to do that because of your internet connection, we actually now have a tool that will make sure to prioritize your phone lines, so you'll never have that problem with your service that you might have had. And really, even if you have really low grade service in your business, this will fix that. The other great thing about SD-WAN is that we can log into this tool and see if the problem is in your infrastructure, in the phone itself, or that there's another problem, we can diagnose it almost instantly, so you're not on the phone going, plug in the wire, unplug the wire, you know, those kind of things. So we eliminate that, you know, and we can even tell you if your internet's not connected. So, you know, why don't my phones work? Well, you know, your internet's down. For some people that, you know, their router crashes or whatever it may be. So I kind of went over some of the features that we have. You know, again, the purpose of it is to make it easy and to create, you know, a better, more modern environment. You know, we have customers that will buy the phone system for 10, 20, 30 users and just get it routed to all their people's cell phones. So people are going away from desk phones. Doing that really can lower your cost if you're a business. If you're a startup business, you know, you can get this and then route it to your cell phone or the cell phone application really easily and separate those things like I talked about before. And the last piece, I always have to go into strategy in my videos. So why should you, you know, switch your business over to my telecom service? Well, the first thing is that if you're still paying local and long distance, you might be paying $60 a line. You know, we can dramatically cut that price down. Our pricing starts unlimited at $25 a line, and the bigger your facility is, you know, the more that will go down. We allow unlimited devices, you know, and we will send out the devices pre-programmed so that, you know, when they get there, all you have to do is basically plug them in. If you have a big enough installation, we'll send a tech out there to make sure that it's seamless. We can port over any numbers that you have, toll-free numbers. We also have conferencing on the system, so you know you can manage your conferences from our system versus having to go to a freeconferencecall.com or something like that. The next thing is it's self-service. You know, I went into before about, you know, voicemail or fax to email or your call log. You know, these are things that can make you much more efficient if you know that, you know, 30 of your voicemails are all trash. Now you don't have to listen to them or even push through them. You know, the last, one of the next ones is professional appeal, right? So with a great phone system with hold music like, you know, a bank or whatever, you know, your business has, you know, a lot more professionalism, I think, which is really great. And hearing your business, you know, being spoken over, you know, violin is an awesome thing when somebody's on the phone. And the last thing is because, I don't know if you've seen my videos lately, but you should be getting all of your tech services through us and get a unified bill. One, the more services that you have with us, all of your bills will lower down, but we can manage your Microsoft Office subscription, your web hosting, your email accounts, your cloud services, your web servers, you know, our other marketing services, our CRM. If you want to build a sales team, you know, we can help you with that. We have another product that we're releasing pretty soon, which is SMS+Lars at smslars.com, which is SMS for your business. So if you run a small office or a doctor's office or something, you know, you can share this text message window that's from your business number. We can provision any business number to have text messaging. And so instead of doing this on your cell phone, you know, it's an environment that you can track and manage in the business, and you can set automated text, scheduled text. You know, you can get your call log from your phones that automatically push in there. So now, you know, reaching out to your customers that you know are on cell phones, it's a lot easier. We also integrate both of these products into our CRM so that you can really manage your customers in a lot faster fashion. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out anytime. You know where to reach me. Thank you very much.